Okay, so today I'm gonna replace the windshield wipers for my Hyundai Santa Cruz 2020 model. I've decided to go with wipers from Bosch, and you need two different sizes, two different lengths. And now I'm gonna detach the old ones, and then we compare them to the Bosch wipers I bought. Funny thing, both of them cost $35, and I've chosen the optimal night clarity version. And although they are different lengths, for whatever reason the set costs, or the price for each wiper is exactly the same, like $35 without tax. And now the first thing I want to check, can I replace them like so? Because you see, you cannot put them up all the way, the arms for the windscreen wipers, but that should be good. And now let's change them. Okay, so I've taken the big one out. It's kind of hard actually to do that without the hood flipped. So this one here, that's the original one, and this one, that's the new one, the Bosch version. So what springs to mind, the original one has like that enforcement here, the plastic, and the Bosch one actually just has the rubber profile here. So you can see that when I put them next to each other. I am not sure if that's a benefit or not, or if this one here is done for aerodynamical purposes. Now let's put in the new one. Okay, so now I'm demonstrate how you get the old one out and the new one in. So for the old one, technically you have to wiggle a little bit here to get it out. So that's the old one out. And now we do the new one. Once you flipped it over, you want to insert it this way. This way. And you see here, you have to push it under here now. So a little shove and push. So you see it's pushed under here now. Once that is done, you want to close that lid here. And that's closed now. So it's a little bit an odd construction, but now you see it's here. And now I can actually show you the main difference. So you see this one here, it's just a rubber profile itself on both wipers, and this one here, you actually had these coverings of the wipers. You see that here, and that profile here has like that lip, a little bit like a spoiler to it. Not sure of the use, and it's the same here. Now let's just check if both are tight. So that one is tight, and that one is tight as well. And now let's go inside and wipe. Okay, so the new wipers are installed, and now let's just see if they work. So they work, and now let's spray a little bit. And now you see they work perfectly. So really what you need to do, you really need to read the instructions, because it needed a few seconds for me to figure it out. So what I meant by that with the instruction, you really need to follow that, but I actually did it wrong. And by the way, flipping the hood does not help, so you really need to change the wipers in this position. So if you flip the hood, it's actually worse, which tells me for the Hyundai, you can never flip up your wipers in winter conditions. I made another video about that, but what you can see, these new Bosch wipers, they are wiping it pretty good. And now it actually says we have to remove this one here, whatever that means. So remove the sticker here. I have no clue why you want to remove or why you have to remove them, but it says remove the sticker, and that's what we are doing. Oh, maybe that is something which is the only guess I would have, that the plastic under here is maybe aging over time with a UV light, and then it maybe turns into a color which would tell you it's time to change them. Okay, and finally I'll just show you around these wipers. And they say night view technology. You see here's that profile explained a little bit. A night spoiler. And you see what I've thought when. Okay. Well, there you have it.